All right, y'all. These are my new side steps I put on here. They're the stock ones, powder coated Bronco. I took off the rock rails that came with the Badlands stock. I know they're functional, the rock rails, but I really like these. They look better. So the other thing I put on here are the JCR off-road pinch well covers you can see in here. And there's two pieces on the 4-door. You can split right there in the middle. But they look nice. They covered up that ugly pinch weld. But yeah, so that's that. And the other thing I did is I put the Sasquatch side flares on there, because I had the ones that came with the Badlands stock, but I wanted these because they just make it look right. I still don't have a lift kit yet, but I'm looking at probably a 2.5 or a 3.5 inch lift. We'll see. Yeah, these fender flares, they just do a better job covering up that wheel. I did like the way the other ones poked out, but I don't know, something seemed off. It didn't look right because I had the Sasquatch wheels and tires. But yeah, so this is the passenger side. And Jennifer, like I said, appreciates it because now she can step on those and get up on there. So yeah, almost there, almost done with this thing. Just need a lift kit. I got some fog lights coming in from Oracle, the white ones that go in the front there. And then what else? I need to put a compressor in. I don't know if I'm going to put it in the engine bay or just a portable one. So that's the Bronco, the latest mods to it. All right, y'all. Holla later.